Hello, friends. That's right, it's Dillon. Coming to you live from the Dillon compound. Just got off work. Fixing to start vacation. I'm going to do some work on the old truck. Going to Hawaii, and it's a long-ass drive to Hawaii, so I'll make sure everything was cool with the truck. And last couple of days I've had something squealing under the hood. I think it could be idler pulley alternator, maybe. I'm thinking idler pulley. Yeah, you want to hear it again? But when I got out here and I got into it, I spent like an hour working on it, digging down to the idler pulley. You know, I knew it wasn't a good idea to put a 351 with a turbo into a Ranger. I knew that going into it. I knew it. But when you have a few beers and you know you're fixing to go on vacation, you get into it and you're just like, it takes an hour to get to it, and then you're just like, damn it, you know? So, and, you know, the whole time I'm working on it, my dog, Little Dick, he's laying there in the gravel, and I just say, you know what, Little Dick? And he looks up at me and he goes, what? And I said, fuck this shit. I'm gonna let somebody else do it. I laugh. He laughs. I go back in the house to get us another beer. I grab one for me, one for him. I'll pour out in his bowl. I come out and he's on his back, holding his belly with his little paws, and he's in one of them locked up laughs, like Well, after a few minutes, he finally gets done, and he's like, Dillon. I'm like, yeah, what? He's like, fuck that. And he laughs, and I laugh, and we drink another beer, and it all sets in. Fuck that. I ain't got time for that shit or the patience. Damn it. Little Dick cracks me up. Y'all have a fantastic day.